guys, I am Alia. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys this look right here. And if you want to learn how I achieved this look using only drugstore affordable products, then please keep watching. So to start off, I'm using the NYX Honey Dew Me Up Primer. This is a great primer if you want like a glowy finish, and it works as a great base for your foundation. It gives you a little bit of hydration as well as a slight glow. So I'm going to start off with this. Okay, this is a little messy. I don't want to use it directly with the applicator because I don't want it to like touch my face and then go back into the bottle, basically that. So I'm just gonna apply that and pat it into my skin. So I'm gonna wait like a few seconds and just let that sink into my skin. And I'm going in, I don't think this will be a surprise, with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this is in the shade Buff Bisque. So I will take that on the back of my hand. That's how I like to apply foundation, that I'll take it on the back of my hand first and then apply it to my face. So because today I think I'm planning on doing something a little more natural, so I'm just taking this beauty sponge by Henna Beauty, and I just dropped something, and I'll just tap that into my skin. A beauty sponge helps in giving like a really natural finish because it picks up the excess product and also helps you in blending in the foundation like really seamlessly. You don't get any like harsh lines or brush strokes on your face. So that's why I like using a blender, like a beauty sponge. And this one by Henna Beauty is absolutely amazing. It is super soft and really like it feels good on the skin. So you want to wet your beauty blender, by the way, if you guys didn't know that. You just want to lightly dab it into the skin, and yeah. Make sure you blend it like into your hairline as well. And I'm taking it over my eyelids just to give a little bit of coverage and also prep for the eyeshadow. Always take your time and really blend in your foundation and whatever product you're using. Just take your time to blend it all in. I really like this primer. I had actually run out of most of my drugstore favorite products, and I've placed a huge order on Nykaa and I'm waiting for that to come in, but right now, and this I just recently got again, and I also got another palette which I'm going to be showing in today's video. So yeah, I will have a lot more drugstore products to play with in the near future. I'm taking whatever's left on the back of my hand and just blending that into my neck as well. So now that the foundation is blended out, I'm going to lightly conceal today. I don't want to conceal a lot. So I'm using two concealers. One of them is actually a corrector and a concealer. So I'm using a yellow corrector by LA Girl, and what a yellow corrector helps in doing is cancelling out like darkness, and then a concealer just to conceal and brighten up the rest of my face. I'm going to use this very lightly, like very lightly actually. Just underneath my eyes. I think I got a little too much out, but it's okay. Also, another reason that I'm using this corrector is because this is a little light for me. So I'm using the Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15. I ordered another one of these as well. It is one of my favorite concealers. And I'm just placing that like underneath my eyes, along with where I put the yellow corrector, and around my nose as well, just to cover up the redness that I get. Taking that sponge again and just really blending that in. So what you don't want to drag it, you just want to like press it into the skin. Concealer is done, foundation is done. Now it's just time to set the face. And I think setting your face is like very important, because that's what helps the foundation to last longer, and also helps your other products like your contour, your blush, highlight and everything else that you're going to put onto your face or your eyes to apply a lot more smoothly. I'll start off with my under eyes, and I'm using the Bourjois Healthy Balance powder, and I'm just taking that on my blender. Preferably you want to do this with a a loose powder, but I didn't have one, so I'm just using this, and I'm just using that to set underneath my eyes. Then I'll just take a big fluffy brush and swirl it in. There's powder everywhere. And I'll just tap this into my skin to set the rest of the face. So moving into the eyes next, today I am using the Wet n Wild My Glamour Squad palette, and this is what it looks like. It has really pretty warm colors, and it is very similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, which is amazing, but this is obviously way cheaper, and also I mean, it is very good. I just tried this out day before yesterday or yesterday, and it's really good. The colors are pigmented and they lasted quite long. So I'm just using the same powder that I set my face with to set the eyes. I'm just doing this so that the eyeshadows don't really get, like stick to the eyes and don't blend out properly. So that's how you want to set your eyes. And it also provides like a nice canvas for you to work with. So I'm starting with the transition shade, like this brown shade right here. So this actually does have like a guide at the back which you can use to create a look, but I'm just doing my own thing. So I'm starting with this transition shade right here, and I'm taking this on a fluffy brush, and I'll just start on the outer corner and then bring it in. I think I got too much product and it is super pigmented, but I'll make it work. That's okay. Blending is the key. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking my brush like in and out in windshield wiper motions and just blending that in. Another thing that I'd like to do is I'll take the brush and I'll go in like slightly circular motions, and that helps to like diffuse the color. And what I'm doing today is I'm just extending it a little beyond my eye. I'm just taking it towards the end of my eyebrow and bringing it in. The next shade I'm using is this brown shade right here, but before I go in with that, I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and just blend out that shadow so that it doesn't look as harsh. So if you're ever doing an, like, not just for your eyes, if you're ever doing your eyes or your face and the color just ends up looking a little too intense, you can always go in with a cleaner brush and just go over it, and it'll help to blend it all out and also reduce the intensity of the color. Taking another blending brush, this is the Morphe R39, and I'm taking that brown shade that I mentioned, and I'll take this a little lower on my eye and just again starting on the outer corner, bring it in. Now this color I'm also applying on the outer third of my eyelid and then bringing it in to the crease, whatever product's left on the brush basically. Going back in with that fluffy clean brush that I mentioned before, I'm just going and blending out all the colors together. So if you guys noticed, I left like the inner part of my eyes blank for now. That's because I want to go in with like a shimmery color from this. I think I'll go in with the champagne, and for this I'm just taking this on my finger and I'll directly apply it onto the eye. I'm taking this like to my crease and just putting it till the point where I put that brown shade. I'm taking that blending brush again and just taking a mix of these two colors, this brown and this brown, very lightly tapping off the excess, and I'll just go over the outer third. I'm taking that champagne shade and I'm using the shader brush to merge and blend the colors together. You can do this with your finger, but the brush will just help it look more precise. I curl my lashes and apply some mascara. So I'm using the Lash Sensational by Maybelline today. I don't want to do a contour today, so I'm just going ahead with blush, and for blush I'm using this Hot Spice palette by Makeup Revolution, and I use these two blushes and taking that on a blush brush. I'll start here and I like to drag it down and then take it in circular motion. So as you guys can tell, these blushes have a little bit of shimmer in them, which gives you a natural glow as it is, but I like adding more glow to my looks. So for highlighter today, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. So I'm just taking that on this fluffy brush. This highlighter is so pretty, it looks so nice, and again, because it's drugstore, it's affordable and really good quality for the price that you're paying. I'm also taking this highlight on that small shader brush that I had mentioned before and just putting that in the inner corner of the eye. Lastly, for the lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Natural, and I will just line my lips and also fill them in with this. I am using the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Soft Spoken. So lastly, I'm going in with the Mario Badescu facial spray, and this is not a spray that will help your makeup last longer, but it will just give a really nice dewy finish to the face. So I will just spray that on my face, and it's really refreshing as well. So yeah guys, that's it for today's look. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you'll be able to recreate this at home, and if you do let me know how it went. Also, every product that I've used will be mentioned in the description box down below, along with links from where you can purchase the product. If you do decide to purchase the product using my link, I do make a commission from it, as they are affiliate links. So you can totally use my links or not use my links and just search for the products that I mentioned down below. Besides that, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below on what videos you'd like to see next. I have a really exciting video planned for you guys, which I think you guys will really like, and it will really help out any beginner who is starting out with makeup, or even people who have more knowledge of makeup. So yeah guys, that is about it. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.